Today we're making crispy coconut shrimp chronic style with a sweet and spicy twist, finished with infused coconut oil for that extra elevation. Here's everything you'll need. A cup and a half of shredded coconut, 3/4 cup of panko, 2 eggs, 2/3 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 2 pounds of shrimp, deveined, salt and pepper flakes to taste, and to make it chronic style, we'll finish it with a drizzle of infused coconut oil. Unsure on how to properly infuse coconut oil? Check out our previous video for a detailed step-by-step guide. Start by setting up your dredging station. In one bowl, you'll have your coconut panko mixture. In a second bowl, whisk 2 eggs. In a third bowl, mix flour, a pinch of garlic powder, cayenne for some heat, and a dash of salt. Take each peeled shrimp, dip it in the flour mixture, coat it in the egg, and press it into the coconut panko mixture. Make sure each shrimp is fully covered for maximum crispiness. Heat vegetable oil in a pan over medium heat. Fry the shrimp for 2 to 3 minutes on each side until they're golden brown and cook through. Remove the shrimp and place them in a large bowl. Now, for the infusion. Melt infused coconut butter in a small pan over low heat until it's smooth and ready to drizzle. Pour the infused coconut butter over the shrimp in the bowl and toss gently, ensuring every piece gets coated with that elevated flavor. And there you have it. Crispy infused coconut shrimp, chronic style. Sweet, spicy, and elevated. Enjoy responsibly and let us know how yours turns out in the comments below.